In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Samsung TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to change the display language on your Samsung TV. Every single text that is displayed will be altered, and you can find the language options by going over to the settings. I just want to make it very clear that I'm going to teach you how to do it in this newer modern interface. However, if you have a different model of Samsung TV, you will still be able to find the language options. It is going to be under the same menu, but visually the UI or the user interface will be slightly different, so keep that in mind. So all that you have to do is head over to the settings. Inside of the settings, go over to the general category, and when you choose general, you should be able to find system managers or anything along those lines. When you choose this option to manage your system, you will be able to find language. If you don't see it here, like I mentioned, it is going to be under a different menu. Usually it is going to be something related to system. So try to locate system or menu language. And when you choose the language option under system, you will be able to browse through all of the options. So Spanish, English, French, and so on. You will be able to choose any of these, and immediately upon doing so, the TV might restart itself, and all of the text that is being displayed on all of these categories on the options menu, when you try to increase the volume, lower the volume, go into the settings, and so on, everything will be displayed accordingly in the new language that you selected here. And this is going to be available for every single model of Samsung TV. Like I said, you simply have to locate the language option. It is always going to be under the settings, but the specific menus might differ. First, look under General, and then try to find something related to System Managing. As long as you choose this option, you will be able to browse through language or menu language to get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to change language on Samsung TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.